Question 3. You are planning to migrate the MySQL database to the managed Cloud SQL database for Google Cloud. You have Compute Engine virtual machine instances that will connect with the Cloud SQL instance. You do not want to whitelist IPs for the Compute Engine instances to be able to access Cloud SQL. What should you do? Option A. Enable private IP for the Cloud SQL instance. Option B. Whitelist a project to access Cloud SQL and add Compute Engine instances to the whitelisted project. Option C. Create a role in Cloud SQL that allows access to the database from the external instances and assign the Compute Engine instances to that role. Option D. Create a SQL. Option D. Create a Cloud SQL instance on the Option D. Create a Cloud SQL instance on one project. Create Compute Engine instances in a different project. Create a VPN based Create a VPN between these two projects and allow internal access to Cloud SQL. The correct option is option A. Enable private IPs for the Cloud SQL instance. So why option A is correct? When you enable private IP for Cloud SQL, the instance is assigned to an external IP address from your VPC. This will allow your Compute Engine instance to communicate with the database over the cloud over Google's internal network. Let's look at the other options. Option B is incorrect. Google Cloud does not support whitelisting the entire project. Option C is also incorrect. IAM role and database role manage permissions, but they do not handle network connectivity. So option C also incorrect. For the option D, while a VPN connects network, it is an over-engineered and unnecessary solution for instances living within the same cloud network. So most visible option is option A. So that's why option A is the correct option.